Mabuhay, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 19th commencement exercises of Wesleyan College of the Philippines academic year 2019-2020. At this juncture, dear graduates, the merit you have been waiting for has finally come. The fruits of your hard work will finally be presented, and also a symbol of your success. The graduates from Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Octoberians, Advicula Bambi Estrada, Aguila Mark Jeremy De Leon, Aguirre Christine Escolar, Aladeza Judy Ann Moreno, Alferez Mark Lawrence Sunito, Alutaya Aaron Pilago, Apolinario Gracelyn De Los Reyes, Arsenal Charmaine Parado, Armenio Janiroy Canteros, Badilla Jomar Publico, Baguio Mark Oliver Adapon, Baro Ruel Lakap, Bayot Jomari Abines, Bayutas Paulo Mirales, Benito Ronjun Reyes, Beo Anthony Villanueva, Betita Noel Maclang Jr., Biliran John Cedric Palayon, Bogtong Bresley Banate, Bongay Ira Barroso, Buena Flor Marina Oliver, Buena Obra John Luis Lamsen, Kabakang Joseph Austria, Kabuyok Jendy Torillas, Kaholo Maria Lord Jem Calderon, Candelaria Melanie, Caranza Mark Herald Galardo, Castillo Dieter Hilaria, Cerilia Joel Anton R, Coronacion Sherlyn Torres, Kula Tom Jun O, Cruz Dave Mark C, Cruz Veronica Hierro, Dacilio James Carlo Duque, De Guzman Michael Salazar, De La Cruz Mark Jason Young, De La Cruz Reina Jane Piamonte, De La Cruz Veronica Dupa, Elogario Christian Panta, Enderes Lourdes B, Estojero Mark Joseph Monton, Fang Christopher Stephen Tan, Fuentes Yusriel Yaiso, Gabion Kaizel, Gatchalian Angel Liza Bernales, Gaudan Michael Salvador, Go Clarence Dave Saludario, Goso Cristel Ann Monique Luminto, Hernandez Mark John Ostare, Hobson Jamel Kailan, Jimenez Michael John Edward Infante, Jimenez Romel Ranyoco, Lagando Jendrex Sembrano, Legaspina Criston Elentorio, Likaykay Tyron Oliver Cabingas, Longasa Jesus Anion Jr., Mapang Ricardo de Luna Jr., Marcaida Aisa Dayon, Medalya Christian Lagunda,
Gonzales Sheila Meriros A. Moreno Raymond Montinola. Mortera Sherwin. Noynay Jenilyn Marfil. Oliveda Marwell Retardo. Opolento Richard Quiloco. Padregone Pamela Custodio. Padua Janlas Nino. Pascual Giancarlo A. Pasano Janine Samantha Abalayo. Paunilan J. Cantiveros. Rafalo Joy Shaina Redita. Ramos Philip John Cesar Miguel. Ravelo Mark Lawrence Boribor. Rimodo John Rafael Delina. Reyes Daryl Martin. Reyes Joe Bernard M. Luciana Anilin Blanco. Rosel Brian Gomez. Sabido Jennifer Padilla. Sakare Aaron Constantino. Salgado Carl Jan C. Samelo Cyrus John Cruz. Santilian Daniel T. Santos Rogelu Mangalus. Serrano Jinky de la Cruz. Santa Ana RJ Engay. Sugay Kayeshi Taneo. Targa Christine Hezola. Tihor Gerald Aton. Toron Eva May Toledo. Umani John Matthew Manawag. Valenzuela AJ Angelo Pimentel. The graduates from Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Ababat Manuel S. Ditoy. Abarkar Arvin Gumapa. Abara Jerome Miranda. Abaratike Mark Joseph Baa. Abelia Mike Jones E. Akbang May Ann M. Acevedo Jose Jerry Ravelo Jr. Adoma Waheda Domato. Adofina Christian P. Aguilar Alexander Estrella. Alayay Christian Gayondato. Algordo Robilin Lagario. Alilano Jude Molin. Alonso Glenn Archer Disipolo. Alvero Ezequiel S. Torninos. Andakit Jandil Perez. Arevalo Angelica Mabang. Arevalo Michelle Naire. Bakar Kiruben Yutiga. Bacor April Jade Alvarez. Bagisimo Ricardo Condes. Balesteros Gladys Avelis. Balongay Ronilio Ibo Jr. Baluyot Mervin Relato. Banaag Harold. Bangisan Jeremy Ocon. Batakaw Marisol Tiamzon. Batislaong Mac John Lumio. Bautista Judy Ann Parcon. Belen Jonah Remando. Belyesa Nino Carion. Bobier Christian Fernandez, Bolivar Jerome Adique, Bonina Razel Carpio, Borja Merijoy Mocon, Burao Hazel Marie Keke, Bustamante Caitlin Joy Castillo, Cadiente Darwin Obra, Cadizal Crystal Rose Lubani, Calaguas Rosana Dizon, Canonigo Gina Gemperoso, Kaponihan Roxanne Mendoza, Cardines JP Gonzales, Carillo Maria Angela Solomon, Casag Jason Pugahan, Castillo Eric Pigtuan, Selaspara Jasper Kenneth Andaya, Chan Ismael Bastasa, Clarete Gerald Enriquez, Conde Chona L, Conde Arjin D, Crisologo James Mendez, Cruz Carl Ben Sulit, Dafon Michael Henezaret Dumalangkan, De Guzman Nico E, De Leon Jane Nolasco, Debil Maria Clipse Gulia, De La Cruz John Ace Ondor, De La Peña Hailin May B, De La Torre Mark Anthony Urzal, De Luso Jomar Batalier, Dionson Daryl Mark Yugo, Dr. Oliver Suriao, Dumagtoy Venus Dalmacion, Duaso Arman Opura, Dungka Bordin Nilay Rizada, Ebarsabal Harold Montibon, Echon Angelu Egnisaban, Edeher Larry Monsato Jr., Enares Hazel Abonilio, Epinio Francis Ann Chiquilio, Epinio Jeffrey Chiquilio, Eslera Joseph Ecube, Pabilian Jerome Cadiz, Pamisan Judy Ann Tabor, Fernandez Vince Renzel Sanchez, Filipino Reza Capilip, Florendo Jimuel Abrio, Florita Marhon Kasinginan, Galvan Jude Golimlim, Gallego Richard Samudio, Gatok Polito Dalaurao, Gaviola Kyle Siaton, Jeron Arniel Ribondo, Herona Cristelin Puda, Herona Eva Marie Puda, Gilbert Mylin Flor Benaflor, Golveo Gino de los Santos, Gomez Joseph Nicabalo Jr., Horimo Leomar Belli, Gige Maria Rona May Estorpe, Gulandrina Sara Jane Saragosa, Gumopas Rojo N. Tina, Habihan Giancarlo Mesa, Josenia Christian Mendoza, Imperial Mike Christian Ruela, Indimne Darwin Caligado, Hamot John Kevin J, Kapitana John Christian Nofable, Hukutan Baby Jane Lanugon, Larida Noel Lovitania, Laylay Darren Larga, Lidesma Marie Antoinette Perfas, Literal Mark Daniel Abalos, Liwanag Lulito Barrion Jr., Liamas Mark Louie Magalindong, Lubete Melchor Lahi Jr., Lopez Jehan Marie Lucero, Lozendo Dana Erika Bacolod, Pabakiyaw Jan Uziel de la Concepcion, Mago Evangeline Lopez, Malen Charlotte Kim Tavera, Maranyan Darwin Firmanes, Marayag Angie Manya, Marinda Rosemary Baguan, Martinez Alejandro Bubier, Martinez Melvin John Villaraza, Melendres Rico Gakayan, Melgarejo Anthony Abad, Mendez Jomar Cruz, Mercado Beverly S., Milondaga Sheena Marie Soriano, Molina Philip Casanova, Mondol Mark Gil Lobiano, Montalvan Rani Bulos, Montejo Mariel Barrera, Nabuwa Jomel Fabelo, Nacario Jericho Endraca, Navarro Raymond, Luay Arnel Canto, Ocampo Ronel Ereve, Ojas Gabriel Galliega, Olanco John Vincent Milian, Olavides Joshue Valvestamin Jr., Oligario Glenn Mark Celedona, Openia Honey Rose Ann Nebria, Original Diana Luyo, Osorio Arvin John Glepaldeo, Padesio Emedio Amisola Jr., Padrogado Arnel Felipe, Padua Prince Nonatus Mendioro, Pagayaw Hamir Sabilon, Pahamutang Mike Joshua Abinota, Palencia Mary Joy Lucinario, Palyar Shaina Canyan, Panilio Ramonito Martinez Jr., Pantilla Giro Berizo, Patingo Don Salvador Ortigosa, Patotoy Isabel Bravo, P. Raymond Romero, Pelovelo Vince Blance, Ponce Jeremy Maluntaw, Prado Rinrin Membrano, Quinones Edgar Labanangia, Ragay Jeremiah Mandrinian, Ragua Eris de la Vega, Rance Remigio Belga III, Rangaig Casmer Sueño, Rempilio Christian Fernandez, Rebamonte Sara Jane Visitancion, Roluna Liester, Saliano Raymart Lorato, Salting Ronald James Sol, Salubre Christine Dapat, Salvador Jerome Din, Salvame Richard Valdueza, Salvatierra Bon Jovi Comperada, Sana Cristobal da Divas, Sangier Ricky Valmores, Sebastian Ervin Lester Balbuena, si Loria Stephen Jude Geradin, Sekinia Kovi Bryant Dugong, Serapin Shilami Donacion, Sevilino Christine Joy Moramion, si Yapko Mary Jane Hermoso, Simon Christian, Solis Marco Montiliano, Suarez Johnrick Gonzalez, Sulit Ronald Joel Rom, Sumugat Jover Baklaan, Tabianan Ronstand Abinio, Taglokop Arwel J. Lavisto, Tan Raven Kulan, Tavera Miriaflor Lingatong, Tenedero Hazel Galit, Tenolete Angeline Bailon, Tirador Adrian Perez, Pismo Cherry, Torsino Anthony J. De Guzman, Torre Ricky Horten, Torremoca Marnel Oser, Tupas Karen Kate Casana, Urbano Florence Owen Africa, Valles Cyril Ann Padilla, Vidal Mary Rose Garcia, Villalon Jason Bagtas, Villegas Marjon Danny Reyes, Vincenio Jonathan Allen Dineses, Zafra Matthew Bayer, Zerna Clifford.
The graduates from Associate in Computer Technology, Octobiria, Adaro, Jelly, Riambonanza, Amistad, Harmin, Timanel, Arroyo, Vergel, Rosaroso, Bazar, Janhari, Moong, Bulandres, Jundi, Flores, Conchas, Ivan, Leonard, Albina, De Los Santos, Wilmark, Ang, Espillarga, Rosalie, Lolor, Istanjan, Marife, Joy, Katangwi, Fernandez, Dennis, Lutawan, Fernandez, John Paul, Himuslan, Gonzales, Ana Margarita Castor, Gornes, Jonathan Bayrante, Gira, Ivan Darin Babon, Labian, Rema May Mariposque, Laput, Jovelyn L, Lucero, Dominic Deyama, Masido, Dayan Sulito, Ocon Meligrace Volante, Palyataw, Joseph Alejandro, Ramos Trisha Marie K. Sanchez, Refe Marcos Balais, Rivera John Kerwin Nono, Romero Monica Gelado, Santiago Melvic Diguia, Silverio Jacqueline Ribustes, Sumayan Tarhata Kahinto, Tavara Trisha May Asuncion, Timanil Lolita Aguilar, Binluan Jefferson Valdez,
It is often said that the quality of the person's life is in direct proportion to his or her commitment for excellence, regardless of the chosen field of endeavor. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all recognize the students who exhibit great excellence.
And to present our awardees for this academic year, please welcome the Chief Guidance Counselor, Professor Amably Betis, and the SSC Advisor and HUMS Teacher, Professor Michael Bersamin.
Student Leadership Award is presented to the members of the graduating class who have outstanding participation in extracurricular activities which promoted both student and school welfare. Nominees must have exhibited exemplary character during his or her stay in school and obtained a good academic performance. Ladies and gentlemen, our Student Leadership Awardees.
Our first leadership awardee is a former class mayor, former governor, former senator, former student advisor of Talent Center, Bulacan Campus, Vice President of the Supreme Student Council, Bulacan Campus, Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education, Major in Food and Service Management, Vincent Paul Besacola. Our next leadership awardee is a former class mayor, former governor, former Secretary of the Supreme Student Council, President of the Supreme Student Council, Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education, Major in Food and Service Management, Joel J. Almasan. Our next leadership awardee is from the main campus, a former mayor, a former governor, President of the Supreme Student Council, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Gerald P. Morillo.
Latin Honors refers to an award of distinction given to graduating students who meet or exceed specific grade point average thresholds or class rank. These honors include cum laude, magna cum laude, and summa cum laude. We are proud to present to you our Latin Honor Awardees.
She was a consistent academic excellence scholar at Besling College of the Philippines. From the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering,
Giselle Kate M. Wandasan.
cum laude. Our next awardee, she was an academic excellence scholar during her second year in Besling College of the Philippines. From the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering,
Maisa R. M. Ubaldo.
cum laude. Our next awardee is a consistent academic excellence scholar of Besling College of the Philippines. From the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering,
Jeline May Ang.
cum laude. Our next awardee is a former class mayor, a presenter for the second Multidisciplinary Research Festival. From the Bachelor of Science in Psychology,
Maria Alexandra Amaya.
cum laude. Our next awardee, a consistent academic excellence scholar, a former governor, a class mayor, a dean solicitor from second year to fifth year, a leadership awardee of NSTP 2016, from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering,
Ryan Rex E. De La Cruz.
cum laude. Our next awardee was a consistent academic excellence scholar, a fourth placer Battle of the Brains last January 31, 2019, which was held at Besling College of the Philippines, a class mayor. He belonged to the group of second placer for the best presenter during the Multidisciplinary Research Festival last March 5 to 7, 2020, which was held at Besling College of the Philippines. From the Bachelor of Science in Criminology,
Neil Joy U. Herrero.
cum laude. Our next awardee, a consistent classroom officer from first year to fourth year, consistent dean solicitor from first year to fourth year, presenter of second Multidisciplinary Research Festival last March 5 to 7, 2020, which was held at Besling College of the Philippines. From the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management,
Glenn Ross Patosa.
cum laude. Our next awardee, a class mayor, Garnered first runner-up for Miss Education last 2018, Bachelor of Elementary Education,
Lizette M. Senyo.
cum laude. Our next awardee, NSTP Best Leader Awardee 2017, a class mayor, a governor, presenter during the second Multidisciplinary Research Festival last March 5-7, 2020, which was held at Besting College of the Philippines from the Bachelor of Science in Psychology,
Kelly A. Bang-asan.
cum laude. Our next awardee, a Leadership Awardee of Singapore Royal Institute, a former class mayor, a former governor, senator of College of Teacher Education, Bachelor of Elementary Education,
Vicky G. Ogalinola.
cum laude. Our next awardee, a consistent academic excellence scholar, a class mayor from the Bachelor of Science in Criminology,
Queenie May E. Elcano.
cum laude. Our next awardee, a consistent academic excellence scholar. She was a part of the group who competed during the Multidisciplinary Research Festival last March 5-7, 2020, which was held at Besting College of the Philippines. From the Bachelor of Science in Office Administration,
Mary John C. Anives.
magna cum laude. Our next awardee, a consistent academic excellence scholar, a class mayor from the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management,
Alfred A. Azaraga.
magna cum laude. Our next awardee, a consistent academic excellence scholar, class mayor, presenter of the group during the Multi-Research Festival held at Besting College of the Philippines last March 5-7, 2020. From the Bachelor of Science in Office Administration,
Bernadette S. Carriedo.
magna cum laude. Our next awardee is a consistent academic scholar from the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management,
Donald R. Queroda.
magna cum laude. Our next awardee, a consistent academic excellence scholar. She belonged to the group of top 3 best presenter during the Multidisciplinary Research Festival last March 5-7, 2020. She was an NSTP Leadership Awardee from the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management,
Mary Grace S. Mandapa.
magna cum laude. Our next awardee, a consistent academic excellence scholar from the 2nd year to 4th year. He belonged to top 3 best group presenter during the 2nd Multidisciplinary Research Festival last March 5-7, 2020, held at Besting College of the Philippines. He was actually the presenter of the group. He was a class mayor from the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management,
Dennis M. Borinaga.
magna cum laude. Our next awardee from the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management,
John Ray L. Velasco.
magna cum laude. Our next awardee is a first runner-up from the Battle of the Brain 2019, champion Battle of the Brains 2018 from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering,
Raisa May B. Mary.
magna cum laude. Our last but not the least awardee, a consistent Dean's Lister 2016-2020, a class mayor 1st year to 4th year, garnered 2nd place in the Tagisan ng Talino, a Battle of the Brains for the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management Department during the celebration of Buwan ng Wika 2018. He was an academic excellence scholar from the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management,
Christian T. Maceda.
magna cum laude.
Let us now hear a graduation song that surely will inspire us to go on. Ang Kaibigan Ko, Paaralan Ko, composed by Professor Ronnie N. Velez.
ang araw sa dalampasigan, hudyat ng ating pamamaalam. Salamat sa ating pagsasama, pagsasamang hindi mapantayan.
Saan tayo nagsimula, kaibigan? Sa unang pagsulyapa o tawanan, hindi mapantay ang pagsasama, pagsasamang tunay na walang hanggan.
Salamat sa iyo, ika'y aking kaibigan. Salamat sa iyo, aming paaralan. Nagkaroon ng kaganapan ang aming mga pangarap, pangarap para sa kinabukasan. Saan tayo nagsimula, o kaibigan? Sa unang pagsulyapa o tawanan, hindi mapantay ang pagsasama, pagsasamang tunay na walang hanggan. Salamat sa iyo, ika'y aking kaibigan. Salamat sa iyo, aming paaralan. Nagkaroon ng kaganapan ang aming mga pangarap, pangarap para sa kinabukasan. Paalam na sa'yo, kaibigan ko. Salamat sa mga alaala mo. Paalam na sa'yo, salamat sa inyo, hanggang sa muli, kaibigan ko. Paalam na sa'yo, paaralan ko. Salamat sa mga karunungan mo. Paalam na sa'yo, salamat sa inyo, hanggang sa muli, paaralan ko. Kaibigan ko, paaralan ko. Kaibigan ko, paaralan ko. Paaralan ko.
Your program has come to an end and about to close another chapter of your life.
This coronavirus pandemic has halted the normal life of everyone. Despite of the difficult time that we are facing, the management of Blessing College of the Philippines have come up with this virtual graduation ceremony for the graduates of batch 2019-2020.
Graduates of Batch 2020, congratulations! We are looking forward with your future and better life ahead of you.
This concludes the 9th commencement ceremony. I am Precious Dayan Despi.
And I am Andrew de la Cruz. Maraming salamat at magandang buhay!